this video, I will be speaking about how to install a repo on Kodi. So, the first thing you want to do on your home screen, you want to go up to Settings, hit Enter, then go down to System, and then go down to Add-ons. When you get to Add-ons, go over to Unknown Sources. Hit Yes. Go back. Go to the File Manager. And then go down to Add Source. And this right here is where you add a path to the media source. Now you can go and look up add-ons yourself. So it's at teamcrew.github.io. Then you hit Enter. Down here you just name it. Okay. Then you will hit OK, but I already got it. Then you would just go back once again, and then you go to add-on. From here you go all the way up to the little box to install. Now at this menu you go down to install from zip file. You go to whatever you named it, the crew. Hit it, go down to the zip file and install. And you should see like a notification in the top right corner that it installed, but I already have it installed. Now you can install from the repo. So you can go down, there you go, but then you can go down to the crew, and what was it, I think it's program add-ons, and download chains maintenance, and this will automatically clean your system. So the cache, temporary files, like movie posters, stuff like that. So you hit that and it should be like an install thing over here, but I already got it installed. So, and then you open it, and you know, I can make a video on this, but basically you can you know, get your system back up and running how it was. See here, you can clear the cache, clear packages, thumbnails, and you should be good to go. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to get more tips from your boy. Peace.